Hello, friends. Let me share my life journey with you all in brief. About my life journey, I spoke in my Telugu channel, Devika Bhatnagar's Telugu channel. Many people were asking me to speak in English also. So, those who cannot understand Telugu, for them it is. So, you know that right now my name is Dr. Devika Bhatnagar. So, my parents are Narsimha Reddy Garu, father, and mother is Lakshmi Reddy. I born and brought up in Hyderabad, SR Nagar. My schooling is from St. Teresa's Girls High School, Sanat Nagar. First class to 10th class, I have studied over there. When you ask about my school life, I was a very much below average and dull student in school life. I was not interested in studies. It's like especially mathematics and science. Tare Jameen Par. I don't know. I cannot understand. Lack of interest simply. And school life, I was very much dull. With great difficulty, I have cleared my 10th class with 55% marks. And in school life, I was very much active in sports. All the games like Coco, Kabaddi, Javelin, shot put, basketball, volleyball, whatnot. In all the games, I was very sharp and I was the games leader of the school. In studies, zero. And in school life only, I have started learning classical music, Veena. Ninth class, I have started till marriage. 12 years, I have learned this classical music, Veena. I have completed my diploma, Veena diploma, and I have cleared All India Radio audition. I gave a lot of stage programs and All India Radio live program, recording programs also. So I was interested in music and sports. Studies, no way, I didn't like at all. Then after that, 10th class with great difficulty I have cleared. After that, intermediate is a turning point for my life. I know that I was not interested in mathematics and science. What to do? Don't touch that subjects. I have chosen CEC. CEC means Civics, Economics, Commerce, 11th class. So it's a turning point for me. I started focusing on the commerce subjects. What is debit? What is credit? Basics. Right from the basics, I focused a lot. I got a lot of realization that I have to be the topper, not just first class. 10th 55%. Now my ambition is to be the topper in the college. I have joined in Nagarjuna Junior College, SR Nagar, very much walkable from my home. And in those days, my ambition was only to get the top rank. Studies, 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 not anything else. In those days, black and white TV, only one TV. And in that TV, one movie we used to find Saturday Hindi movie, Sunday Telugu movie. But even that movies also I used to sacrifice. Don't see any movies. This was self-suggestion. No movies, only studies. Then anyway, I got the second rank in my college, intermediate. Then after that, that was the foundation, strong foundation, 11th and 12th intermediate. Then after that, entered into the BCom. BCom from Pragati Mahavidyalaya, Koti, Hyderabad it is. BCom level, I just spent happily the time because foundation was very strong. Completed happily the BCom life and no struggle at all. And MCom, I have entered into the same college, MCom. MCom once again with a strong ambition that I have to be the topper in the college. Because on the orientation day, my principal, Dr. N.T. Vedachalam sir, he told us, if you don't get first class, don't say that you have done MCom. Say that you have done BCom only. Then there is no value if you don't get first class, not first rank. But my target was first rank only. Anyway, I was the topper in the college. I got a medal. At the same time, PG level, when I was doing MCom, in those days only, I went to the national games. My game was Kabaddi, Coco. Coco, I went to the district match level, but Kabaddi, I went to the national level also. I went to many places like Rajasthan, Sardar Shahar place, Mangalore, and Alapi, Bhimavaram, Nellore. So all these places I went as a part of national games, state levels, South Zone matches, and I really enjoyed my sports life. There's no regrets when I look at backside. So that's about my sports life and music also. I have cleared All India Radio test and many stage programs I have given. So there is no complaint at all. After completion of my PG, before getting the results only, I got the job in the same college, Pragati Mahavidyalaya, as a lecturer. Then I have joined in the same college. Then that's the full stop of my sports life. I could not go back. Then I started my career as a lecturer. First subject was given to me, financial accounting, inter first year. And another subject, statistics, business statistics for BCom first year. Then after that, subjects started increasing. My life started as a lecturer. I need to be very dignified and I need to focus on the students. So with the ambition, I used to go to the college. After 1 year, I got married to Mr. Suvir Bhatnagar. He's from Delhi. He did MSc Physics from Delhi University, and he was in DRDO, and a very gentleman. Because of his encouragement, I am here to talk to you all. And he's a nice person, and he encouraged me a lot, not only as a lecturer, he enhanced my qualifications also. After MCom, after marriage, after getting 2 kids, I have done MPhil, then after that MBA and PhD. All these things are possible with my husband's help. Then after that, I started taking normal classwork in degree college. Then after that, entered into the engineering college. I taught many students, probably lakhs of students, because not only the subject, I used to teach the life skills, personality development, soft skills, interviews, part of soft skills, interview skills, group discussions, communication skills, body language. These all were my topics. And in the same days, I used to give stage programs, outside stage programs, and also I got a lot of opportunities in TV, many TVs like ETV, Vanita TV, HMTV. So in all these TVs, I used to speak frequently. Once upon a time, I got an idea, why should I go and speak in other channels? Why can't I start my own channel? As I got the thought, I started this channel, but I used to upload only those videos where I spoke in TV. Probably 2.5 years back, I started speaking on my own without going to the channels. And also I gave a lot of publications. My publications are printed in many magazines and journals, probably more than 200 publications I have. And some of the Enadu newspaper and Deccan Chronicle and Metro India, these newspapers also, many of my articles, probably more than 100 articles got published. Magazines, newspapers and TV channels, I spoke a lot. Finally, I've decided that I want to speak only in my channel. Let me focus what knowledge I have, I want to express in my channel. Started this channel, Devika Bhatnagar channel, and getting a lot of response from you all. Then I felt very happy. I have worked 25 years in many colleges, especially junior college, 1 year only. Then after the degree college, engineering colleges and MBA colleges also I worked. And my role was as a lecturer, assistant professor, associate professor, HOD, training and placement officer, and soft skills trainer, and finally deputy director for training sessions in Aurora's group of colleges. I played many roles and many colleges. 25 years I worked. After that, 2 years back, I just resigned to my job and I want to dedicate rest of my life to my channels. I have 4 channels right now. One is this Dr. Devika Bhatnagar channel, and second one is Devika Bhatnagar's Telugu channel, Devika's Commerce and Management channel, and Carnatic Veena classes by Devika Bhatnagar. 4 channels I have, and also I've been taking training sessions outside. Like whenever someone calls me as a guest speaker, I've been going to the colleges to give a training sessions to the students, part of orientation session, and also faculty development programs, teacher development programs, and also to the employees like stress management, goal setting, self-confidence. So all these training sessions also part of my life. So right now I am busy with training sessions and also with channels. This is my life. And let me share with you my personal life also. As I told you, my husband is Suvir Bhatnagar, and I have a son, he's Dhruv Bhatnagar. He is working in EPAM company as a junior software engineer, software developer. And the daughter is Aarti Bhatnagar. She has completed 12th class. and going to write MSET and JEE also. And let me tell you some of my hobbies. In degree second year holidays, I have learned typing. Typing is also one of my art. Because I learned typing, now today I am doing all my editing work of my 4 channels by myself. I don't have any helper. I did not appoint anyone. Editing, posting, everything by myself. That credit goes to the art I have learned typing. And when it comes to cooking, another art I have. Cooking before marriage, I was not aware of cooking. But after marriage, my husband taught me basics of cooking. Then after that, I have attended some cookery classes, learned thoroughly, and I have conducted cookery classes in my home. Some batches used to come, like Chinese batch, ice creams batch, chaat batch, North Indian dishes batch, like different batches used to come to my home to learn the cooking. But I'm happy that whatever I have learned, I have utilized everything, either typing or cooking or studies or soft skills training, everything I have utilized. I've been utilizing. Thanks a lot for everyone for giving me this opportunity to serve you all, to share my knowledge with you all. In my life journey, you all are with me. Main important role also playing by you all, because I'm sharing rest of my time with you only. So this is about my small journey of my life. In detail, something I'll tell you some other time. So please take care of yourself. Keep smiling, keep shining. Good luck.